wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ukuleles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the HERMANO U30 has a high gloss finish that not only makes it look great, but provides some protection against scratches. It may be a good choice for younger players who can be a bit rough with their instruments and need something resilient. It's available in several colors and produces bright tones. However, it needs to be retuned often. At number 9, the Karla Learn to Play starter kit comes with a lightweight soprano instrument made from mahogany. The stain on the body creates an attractive striation you might not expect on a model at such a low price. Talented players will grow out of it quickly though. It comes with a convenient tote bag and a quick start guide, but the adhesive on the bridge is weak. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Mahalo ukulele's Rainbow series is available in a dazzling array of colors and features a keyless strings and a Newbone XB bridge saddle. It sounds great once tuned correctly and is a decent value considering its quality construction. It includes gold-plated dolphin machine heads and access to a 45-minute lesson online. However, it's not suitable for advanced players. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ukuleles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Karla MahoganySoprano is an affordable choice for young or amateur musicians who are just beginning to dabble with this instrument and might still be unsure if they'll stick with it. It has a full mahogany body and neck, giving it a lovely finish. It comes pre-strung with a Keeler nil gut, along with a walnut fingerboard and bridge, but its intonation suffers high on the neck. Moving up our list to number 6. The top, back and sides of the Hola Music Deluxe are constructed in your choice of maple, mahogany, ebony, koa or zebra wood. It comes with a built-in strap pin so you can take it to a gig, a music class or a bonfire at the beach easily. It's equipped with black rubber pegs, inlaid maple bindings, and 3 picks of varying thicknesses. Halfway up our list at number 5. Whether you play it every day or just hang it on your wall, the Lunar Great Wave is sure to make a statement. It's one of those rare instruments that looks as good as it sounds, with woodwork that's all well finished and joints and seams that match up perfectly. As the name suggests, it features Hokusai's Great Wave, a trans blue mahogany back and sides, and a distinctive cutaway shape. At number 4, the Oscar Schmidt OU5 bundle comprises not only a high-quality instrument, but all the accessories you need to start playing it right away, including a case and a clip-on tuner. This model is crafted from Hawaiian koa wood for a stylish and authentic look. You also get an instructional DVD and an abalone binding and rosette. It holds its tuning well. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Karla Rambler U bass is unlike most models. It features just 4 extra thick strings and custom electronics, which give it a deep, rich sound that works well when played in classic tuning. Its pegs are large and easy to turn. It has the same pitch as a full-sized bass and includes a pickup with a built-in tuner and a padded gig bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ukuleles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hurricane Concert boasts a sapele body and neck for a rich, bright sound, patented chrome-plated tuning pegs, and an arched back to strengthen its resonance. It comes with a gig bag, a pick, extra strings, and a polishing cloth to keep it looking like new. It's great value for the money and also includes a bonus decorative strap. Its soft strings are good for children. And coming in at number 1 on our list, for serious beginners looking for something they won't tire of as their skills develop, there's the Ibanez UEW15E. Its concert-sized body is crafted from flamed mahogany with an open pore finish and ivory binding, making for an especially attractive instrument. It features maple offset dot fretboard inlays, open-geared tuners by Grover, and an Ibanez UK300T preamp. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ukuleles, or simply click beneath this video.